Hello, discussion board. As you can see, my name is David Neff, and I am making the video to present the major career and plan ideas for our discussion board today. So, my future job description and duties is that I hope to be in industrial organizational psychology, or IO psychology for short. That's what I call it. So, within IO psychology, the main idea is to help businesses progress and grow in their production. This is really interesting to me because I think that the workplace is a very difficult place for certain people, and if I can be a barrier that will help them to grow and progress, I hope to do that. As you can see in the little picture that I have here, there is so many opportunities within IO psychology that are presented and that I will hopefully be able to deal with and work with at one point. There is issues with technology and with production, as I was saying, and sending out news reports and teaching people about what they can do better to become a stronger employee within any business. It's starting to get a little bit more popular as time goes on, so that's a great thing. A lot of those AAA huge companies have now started to hire IO psychologists, which is something that really intrigues me because I think working for a big organization like that would be very interesting, such as Google or Amazon or Nike or Adidas. I think it's just a very different business environment because of the size and how many people they're able to serve. So, my 4-year plan, I was able to meet with Brother Yelton, I think, of the specific emphasis within psychology. And as of right now, I'm declared with an emphasis in IO psychology, and I'm set to graduate in the fall of 2023 and potentially in the spring of 2023. I have personally had experiences to talk with people within this industry, and it's really intriguing. I think it's a great tool. As I said before, receiving advice from people in the field is such a great tool in decision making. So for me, being able to reach out to all of those people that had this profession and already had an interest in it, to learn from them and their experiences was a very cool experience, and I hope that I can continue to do that and learn more and more as I work and progress towards my goal of being an IO psychologist. I'm currently planning on getting a master's degree based on what I've read and studied, and the people that I've talked to, they've all recommended that I get a master's degree because there's a lot more incentive on a financial standpoint. So to me, it just makes sense. And the programs aren't too difficult and aren't very long or expensive from what I know, but they are competitive to get into. So it's something that I'm striving for and I think about daily within my psychology classes. I need to take them serious, so when the time comes that I apply to those major colleges to try to get my master's degree, I'll be prepared and have the knowledge that's necessary to get in. So here's a picture of me. I'm on the far left, so I'm in like the maroon hoodie. And these are my parents, and we are in a place called Eagle Crest in Central Oregon, and it's just the best. I love Eagle Crest. So, okay, so the why behind my psychology goals has always been centered on others' needs. I feel like I've had a lot of time to figure out who I am and self-evaluate and kind of, pick myself apart a little bit. And I want to be able to help other people do that. I've had people do that in my life, and I've seen the significance that it's made on me. And the workplace is a scary place. So if I can help people figure out who they are within the workplace, then that would be a great accomplishment for me. So my reasons were actually kind of different. I realized as I was reading the reasons from chapter 13, that they are much more academic than my goals and standards. I hope to have other people at the forefront of my profession, not necessarily try to strive and achieve these academic goals. It's a great gift to be able to have those that accolade, but in reality, what I wish to do is help people. That's the whole point to me, and that is my presentation. So thank you guys very much for listening. I just got braces, so hopefully the slurs and the lisps aren't too bad. I'm trying to learn, but thank you very much for your time.